The 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.